guys, I have a review on the Kiss liner. This is a liquid liner and also glue in one. They actually sent me this for review purpose, and they sent me the black and the clear. Today we're gonna just be trying the black in the try on portion, but basically the clear would just dry clear. I wanted to try the black and see how it would work, how it would look, and how the felt tip would go on. So I will have a try on portion for you guys later on in the video. I'm so thankful to them. They also sent me like lashes. They also sent me these magnetic ones. Let me know if you guys want like a full review first on trying these and see how these apply. I know like some of these magnetic lashes can feel heavy. This one, the band looks very, very thin. So I was thinking maybe that would be another video if you guys are interested. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into this one. This one, they're both felt tip pens. I think I might like the clear one more. I will be testing that one out as well. I might in the down bar give you guys a little update, description, that kind of thing. But the black one basically is a pretty medium-sized felt tip, as you can see there. I'm not a fan of felt tips. If you guys have been watching me for a hot minute, you know that felt tips are not my cup of tea. I am really into the kind of liner that has bristles at the end and is more thin and liquidy. It's just personal preference. So I was kind of iffy about this. I will say if you like more of a thinner line, to just kind of use more the point, which is what I tried to do. And you have to, before it dries, actually apply the lashes. So I would do one eye at a time, and that way it will be easier. But I will show you guys the demo of it and my final thoughts. For the try on portion, we are gonna try the Lash Glue Liner by Kiss. I'm gonna try the color black. They also have a clear, which I'm gonna try during the week, and I will give you guys the deets on that one as well. So I'm just gonna do a very thin line. I'm not someone to do like full on wing liner. If you see, most of my looks are very simple. And we're just gonna do one eye first, just in case this dries too fast. And I'm not crazy about a felt tip, but this one isn't too bad. I like more brush styles. And it says that it does dry matte. You're supposed to just follow your natural lash line, and before it dries, actually just pop on the lashes. And I'm gonna be using the My Lash But Better from Kiss. They also sent me these, and this is in the style So Real. So let's see how this goes. And this band is super thin. Okay, so let's see if I can trying to really put that really close to the lash line. Wow, that was pretty easy. Look at that. I still have to put mascara on my own lashes and like really press them together to get them to look better. But I love how thin the band is, just because it makes them blend in with mine more easily. And I might have to draw on top of that line just to kind of even it out, because you can see right there that it just kind of, that's what I don't like about felt tips. I don't feel like the line ends up being super straight. It's almost like a little bit more bumpier on my texture, and so I'll use another one. So let me go ahead and apply the left eye, fix the liner with another liquid liner on top, and give you guys the final results. For my final thoughts, I feel like this is pretty easy to use. I really enjoy it. I feel like it's easier than actually applying glue. It's less messy. The more I use it, the more I'll let you guys know. If it shows up in a favorites, then you know I really love it. And I will continue to use it. I just kind of really wanted to do a first impression for you guys and show you guys if it was easy, if I had a hard time applying it. And I have to say, I had a really easy time applying it. The only thing was on this lash, I had to reapply it just because I kind of like apply it way to the inner corner, so then I had to adjust them. But even reapplying it, it was super easy. I took it off and there wasn't like gunk and glue all over the lash band, which I really enjoyed. So I took it off, applied a little bit more of this, and then was able to glue it on with no issues. If you've ever used like the glue, the normal glue that you use for lashes, just like the white one that comes in the tubes, which let me show you guys, like the duo glue, this, if you put this on either the band or your lid and then take off a lash, like the whole thing is gonna come off. Like not only the lid, but like whatever you have on the eyelid that the glue is stuck to is going to rip off. Like the glitter, the shadow, the whole 9 yards, the liner, all of it's gonna come off. And also the band is gonna be like full of the glue and guck. And I was really impressed that I was able to re-put this one on and use this and not have like a crap ton of stuff all over it. Like the band was almost like fully clean. And I'll try to include here a little clip bit of me when I take them off so you could actually see what the band looks like. If you are a lash wearer and know what I'm talking about with the gunkiness of this kind of glue, then you'll really like the fact that these are going to be more like this kind of pen glue is going to be more friendly for your lashes, not so much cleaning the lashes afterwards, which I'm really gonna enjoy because I am so bad about cleaning my lashes. Like I literally, the day I'm gonna reuse them, I pick everything apart with tweezers and then clean it and then apply them, just because I'm really short on time between work, being a mom, doing YouTube, the whole 9 yards. So I'm a little lazy when it comes to that, and I feel like this is going to be my saving grace. I really hope that I love the clear one as much as the black one. And yeah, it just seems like less mess. I love the fact that it's just easier and you don't have to like wait as much with this. Like I literally drew the line and then applied them on, as you saw in the demo. Also forgot to mention that I did fix the liner. Like I don't like the bumpiness of how it looks, so I did go over it just a little bit with my regular eyeliner just to kind of smooth the line itself. So I just had to pop in here to put that in. So I think that this is really awesome, and yeah, I will continue to keep you guys updated, let you know if this dries out really fast or anything like that. But so far I am super impressed by this. If you have used this, either one, the clear or the black, let me know. Or if you've used any other ones that are similar to this, let me know down below which is your favorite. What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. Thank you to Kiss for sending me like a PR package, which I was like, little old me, a PR? I could not even believe that they reached out to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new and want to see more beauty content, you can subscribe down below. Hit that little like button. Apparently that helps my channel because my channel's been dying lately. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.